Hey there, you're with Jeanette at Jeanette's Zen Bag Den here on my YouTube channel. I'm here to do a product review for you on the 31 Gifts Double Duty Caddy. So the color that I'm holding here is the charcoal double duty caddy. You can get it in a whole bunch of different colors, and then you can also get some embroidery options from 31 Gifts for $8 or $10 to put right on the front. It is actually a pretty big caddy. It pops out really nice and wide. And on both of the sides, there's 1, 2, and then 3, 4 mesh pockets. So then you can use it for like maybe a homework station, put pencils or crayons or scissors on the side, kind of same thing with like the art supplies idea. Maybe you want to use it when you're using it in your camper, paper plates, napkins, cutlery on the side. So having those side pockets just gives you a whole lot more options of what you might want to do with your double duty caddy. I also find for all those small little things, maybe in your cupboard, like papers or different little odds and ends, it actually really is a huge space saver in your cupboards. I really recommend these for a cupboard or on top of a counter, just to kind of keep things tidied up. And they tuck away really easily because you've got the handle here, so it makes it portable and that you can move it around with ease. So I totally recommend the double duty caddy from 31 Gifts. And if you have any questions, shoot me a comment or message me through Facebook. And this is Jeanette from Jeanette's Zen Bag Den, giving you a total double thumbs up for the double duty caddy from 31 Gifts.